Define taxation. State canon of taxation. Taxation is compulsory levy enforced by government as per prevailing law of nation, which generally payable with money.
Generally payable with money.
It is main source of income for government of any country. To generate source to maintain public expenditure and welfare and spend money for public welfare. Government can collect the required revenue by adopting an ideal tax policy. For formulating an ideal policy, there are required different principles. These principles are known as the canon of taxation. The canon of taxation are below. Canon of taxation, canon of equality or equity. These canon of taxation state that tax levied by the government based on ability to pay of tax payers. According to the principle, the amount of tax paid by the taxpayer should not be equal for people. The tax amount charged by government should be based on earning of taxpayers. Taxpayers who utilized more facilities of government should pay more tax, and taxpayer who utilized less facilities or resources of government should pay less tax. Canon of coordination. This principle states that while formulating the policy, there should be coordination between central government and local government, so that there should not be imposed similar nature of tax by various authority. There should not impose duplication of the tax from the central government and local government, which collection of the tax revenues canon of certainty.
under under this
Under this principle, tax payment
again it's
procedure should contain or fixed to both the taxpayers and government in terms of the payment in term of the amount to be paid, time of payment, method, the place of payment, and the authorities to whom tax is being paid. Normally it should don't be changed, but it should be stable. Predetermined tax collection procedure should be implemented. Canon of simplicity. According to this principle, the tax system applied by the government should be simple and easy to understand by general public. The tax system should not too lengthy and complex because it creates problem of interpretation and dispute between tax authority and tax payers. This also brings irregulations irregularities. Therefore, this is a good principle to apply in developing country to enhance productivity.